AGS Golf Vacations specialize in arranging tailor-made, competitively priced golf tours in Scotland, Ireland, England and throughout Europe. Our vacations are individually planned to give you the best experience possible, whether you are a large or small group, family or single player. Our trips are also designed for non-golfers to enjoy, with sightseeing tours arranged throughout the vacation. Accommodation is available from luxury golf resorts and castles to leading hotels and guest houses. And we can even take care of the transport for you, with self-drive luxury mini coach and limo services to choose from. Need some inspiration of where to play? Then there is no finer setting for a golf tour than Scotland. International golfers travel in their thousands to St Andrews Links, the home of golf, where the game has been nurtured and developed for over 600 years. Scotland is particularly renowned for its historic links courses, and its illustrious Open Championship venues never fail to inspire and amaze. Ireland is also very popular with golfers. The golf is brilliant, the land is beautiful, and the history is rich in myths and legends. The Irish love a good excuse for a party, and the pubs are at the heart of Irish cultural, social and musical life. The cities are vibrant and cosmopolitan, not too big, but plenty to see and do for golfers and non-golfers alike. In England, golfers are attracted to the British Open links golf courses and to its unique heathland and moorland courses. Many golfers enter the UK via a London airport and enjoy the outstanding entertainment of this vibrant capital whilst playing the famous heathland courses just outside the city. AGS Golf Vacations can also arrange golf tours in Wales, southern Spain and Portugal. Whether you are a golfer or non-golfer, AGS Golf Vacations can arrange everything for you, allowing you to relax and concentrate on having the golf trip of your lifetime. Call us today or visit our website for more information.